Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new and exciting video. And in this video, we are going to try to use Deepseek locally in our computer. If you may not know what Deepseek is, it's a large generative AI model that is free and open source. So let's try to run this locally in our computer and make sure that your computer is capable of running these models because there are a lot of options from 1.5 billion parameters all the way ranging to 70 billion parameters. So my computer does not have that great of a specs, so I'll probably use this Distill QN 1.5 billion model. For that, we're going to download a tool called Olama. So we'll download it for Windows because I have a Windows machine right now. And the download has started. And I was looking up what the Distill model actually is. It means it's a smaller, more efficient machine whose knowledge has been transferred from a larger, complex model. So it's like a student model that's learned from a teacher model, huh? This is called a teacher model, okay. Whatever. So Distill is it's actually been trained or knowledge been transferred from some other large models. So let's make sure our download is complete. It says done, but it's not completed. Let me try to open it. Okay, it's taking some time. Let's give it a minute. You can go over to Hugging Face and then look for all the Deepseek AI models that's available. I think this is done. Let's try to run it. Okay, there's a V3 as well. Install. Another Olama installer is running. Okay, cancel. I think this is the one that has been running already. Oh, there's no to instance. So let's try to see if we have, let's run, sorry, that's not what I want to run. DXDIAG, which will give us all the information about our computer, especially the graphics and everything. I do have 32 gigs of RAM. And what's my graphics? It's a Intel UHD, so there's no NVIDIA, huh? But I think it should run for, oh yeah, I do have NVIDIA GeForce 1650 Ti. So it should definitely run. We'll give it a go anyways with the lowest model possible. And the benefit of using these models in our local machine is that even if you are disconnected from the internet, you are able to run the model and get information because it's already pre-trained model, and it's also good for your privacy as well. You don't have to be skeptical if you want to give out your private information to others or not. So let's verify if our Olama has been installed or not. We'll say Olama, yep, we do have it. So let's check all the list of models that we have available. It says nothing, huh? Let's start this first. Bind is only socket address is normally permitted. Socket address. Let's try to pull our model here. when I think it's 1.5 billion. Pool model file does not exist. Okay, it's not listing any models. Command to pull Deepseek in Olama. Let's see. Okay, do I gotta log in? Install Olama. We do already have that. It says, okay, 1.5 billion. That is pretty good for us. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I did recognize the model. I hope it's not like 10 gigs or something like that. Here it is, 1.1 gigs. Let's see if there's further instructions here. It says this will launch DeepSeek model, allowing you to input prompts and receive AI-generated responses. And I could also integrate DeepSeek into a script. That's awesome. Okay. Okay, it's completed. Okay, we have that. Hmm. I hope you're able to see the code that I'm using right here. This is the first time I'm doing it. I hope it works. It's taking some time. If we can scroll, we really can't. Okay, there we go. Could you generate a Python script to start a timer for 60 seconds, and when the timer goes off, display an alert window using Tkinter? Okay. Okay, I need to create a Python script. Okay, it's a reasoning model, so it will try to reason out its way into solving this. So it has generated some of these steps or reasons that it's going to follow. And there we go, we have a code. So no more limits, no more paying monthly subscriptions. We have a working model locally. So just to go a step further, I'm going to disable my internet. Okay, we'll say, let's say you don't have access to your internet, but you wanted some trivia questions. So you're gonna ask who played the Batman in Jack Snyder's cut. Okay, it's a thinking model, so it's kind of thinking a lot. However, I can't find specific information about Betsy Man and cut. Did I say Betsy Man? Wow, this is dumb. Your task is to only give one word answer. What is the real name of Batman? Figure out the real name of Batman from a Jack and Snyder. Let me think. Mark Ruffin. Wow, it's hallucinating. Let's get to the Wi-Fi one more time if it tries to see on the internet. Or it's because it just has 1.5 billion parameters. Who is the real Batman? Okay, still dumb. Mark Ruffin, no. Mark Ruffin is not the Batman. It's, I'm just gonna say Christian Bale, even though it's not the truth in Snyder Cut. Or let's just go with Bruce Wayne, because that's his real name. Okay, stupid guys. But now you know, like, it did work with a code. I don't know why it's hallucinating with the factual information that I'm actually asking it. I'll try to research some of that, but here's how you can run it locally. And let's try to stop it before we end the video. It says stop. So we'll just do stop here then. Okay, it's just getting dumb and dumb. Control D. Okay, that was it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll try to dig some further and see what's the issue with it. Is it the parameters or is there something I can do to fix those issues? I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you.